Today, March 1st, it's the first day of Women's History Month. So we are really delighted to celebrate a special day with this installation and with both artists. Martha is an artist who investigates materiality, process, and memory in her practice. Angela is a photo-based artist, writer, and educator. Her work is informed by ecological observations and experimentations with different ranges of media. When I first got the text from Martha asking if I wanted to collaborate on a project looking at the sky, I immediately thought, hell yeah.
Our daughter was born here in Houston 9 months ago, very much at the beginning of this project, and she's in that little strawberry dress. Her name is Ursa for short, which this project is not exactly about her, but obviously there's a connection. This constellation, Ursa Major, through motherhood, she becomes this protector and this very powerful figure. And I thought that was so beautiful to think of. The banners are in the main asterism, which is like recognizable star grouping of Ursa Major.
The purpose was really to look at the sky and trying to imagine having an intimate relationship to something that is so much bigger than yourself. I wanted to think of taking a portrait of the sky using a portrait lens and having a different kind of intimate relationship with it. Like I was looking at it as I would look at my friend.
It was really important to me in this iteration of this project that these photographs were taken in Houston rather than some abstraction of a sky, and that was another reason why this collaboration began. How the questions got chosen specifically, I think they felt the most straightforward in coming back to this real center question, which is just how do you create intimacy and what are practices that allow a person to do that. I wrote like 300 of them, which is a way of working that I just to have like so many to choose from. So these are my favorite, obviously, but I have a long list that did not make the cut.
It's called The Bear That Longs to Touch the Ocean. It evokes the Ursa Major constellation and its various meanings, and it really is a dialogue and invites us to be in conversation with the Houston sky, with the environment, with the earth around us, and to think about our own personal relationship to the stars.